What's up, guys? If you're working on electronics repair, circuit boards, or other precision projects, a good soldering station can make the job faster, cleaner, and much easier to control. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best soldering stations in 2026, from compact budget-friendly kits to more advanced digital stations with precise temperature control and professional features. We compared heating performance, temperature stability, digital controls, safety features, included accessories, ease of use, and overall value to help trained adult users find the right station for their workspace. Whether you need a soldering station for electronics repair, hobby projects, or a more professional bench setup, there's an option here for you. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest price and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. WEP882D. Starting our list at number 5 is the WEP882D, a compact 2-in-1 soldering and hot air rework station designed for trained adult electronics repair users who want both tools in one setup. What stands out most to me is the 2-in-1 design. You get both a soldering station and a hot air rework station in one compact unit, with separate LED displays, power controls, temperature adjustment, and hot air volume control. Another strong point is the built-in PID temperature control system, which is designed to keep heat output more consistent during electronics repair and rework tasks. I also like the extra convenience features. The station includes sleep mode, hot air standby, automatic shutdown, Celsius/Fahrenheit switching, and calibration, which can help reduce unnecessary wear on the heating components. The accessory bundle adds a lot of value too. It includes 5 soldering tips, 3 hot air nozzles, 2 spools of solder wire, tweezers, a desoldering pump, and a brass wool tip cleaner, so adult users get a fairly complete workstation package. Pros: 2-in-1 soldering and hot air station. PID-based temperature control. Separate LED displays and controls. Sleep, standby, and auto shutdown features. Large accessory kit included. Cons: designed only for 110/127V power. Compact design may feel less spacious than larger professional stations. Overall, the WEP882D is the one I'd consider if you want a compact all-in-one electronics rework station with useful safety-oriented functions and a generous accessory bundle. If this matches your adult electronics repair setup, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the WEP882D our number 5 pick for the best soldering stations of 2026. Number 4. WEP927-4. Coming in at number 4 is the WEP927-4, a 110-watt soldering station designed for trained adult electronics users who want a compact workstation with plenty of built-in accessories. What stands out most to me is the 110W heating system. WEP lists a wide adjustable temperature range and a dual numerical display that shows both the set temperature and the current temperature, making it easier to monitor the station at a glance. I also like the 3 preset channels. You can save frequently used temperature settings and switch between them quickly, while the adjustable sleep mode helps reduce unnecessary heat and wear when the station sits unused. The workstation design is another big advantage. It combines the iron holder, tip cleaner, solder wire dispenser, helping hands, LED magnifier, and tip storage slots into one compact base, which can help keep a small workbench much more organized. You also get a generous accessory package, including 5 extra tips, tweezers, lead-free solder wire, a desoldering pump, cleaning tools, and 2 helping hands. Pros: powerful 110W heating system. 3 temperature preset channels. Dual temperature display. Built-in LED magnifier and helping hands. Large accessory kit included. Cons: designed for 110/127V power only. Listing gives conflicting minimum temperature information, 194 degrees Fahrenheit in the description and 392 degrees Fahrenheit in the specifications. Overall, the WEP927-4 is the one I'd consider if you want a space-saving soldering workstation with useful organization features and plenty of included accessories. If this fits an adult electronics repair workspace, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the WEP927-4 our number 4 pick for the best soldering stations of 2026. Number 3. WEP926 LED V3. Taking the number 3 spot is the WEP926 LED V3, a compact soldering station built for trained adult electronics users who want strong temperature control and a complete accessory kit without taking up too much desk space. What stands out most to me is the 130W maximum power rating combined with PID-based temperature control. The station is designed to keep the tip temperature stable, while the LED display shows the real-time temperature clearly. I also like the compact integrated design. The soldering iron holder is built directly into the station body, which helps save space and keeps the work area more organized. Another useful feature is sleep mode. If the iron sits unused for more than 10 minutes, the station lowers the temperature automatically to reduce wear on the heating element and soldering tips. The included accessory kit adds good value too. You get 5 extra soldering tips, solder wire, tweezers, a desoldering pump, tip cleaner, soldering holder, and solder wire dispenser. Pros: up to 130W listed maximum power. PID temperature stabilization. Real-time LED temperature display. Sleep mode and degree C/degree F conversion. Full accessory kit included. Cons: designed for 110-127V power only. Single-channel station without hot air rework capability. Overall, the WEP926 LED V3 is the one I'd consider if you want a compact, well-equipped soldering station with stable temperature control and useful automatic features. If this fits an adult electronics repair or hobby workspace, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the WEP926 LED V3 our number 3 pick for the best soldering stations of 2026. Number 2. YIHUA 926-3. Coming in at number 2 is the YIHUA 926-3, a compact digital soldering station designed for trained adult electronics users who want reliable temperature control, useful safety features, and a complete accessory kit. What stands out most to me is the PID temperature stabilization. The station is designed to heat quickly and maintain the selected temperature consistently, with an adjustable range from about 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. I also like the digital display and simple control system. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, use digital temperature calibration, and set the automatic sleep timer to 5, 10, or 30 minutes. The compact design is another strong point. The soldering iron holder is integrated into the station, while the rear protective mesh includes storage slots for extra tips, helping keep a smaller workbench organized. You also get a generous 12-in-1 accessory package, including 2 helping hands, 6 extra soldering tips, lead-free solder wire, ESD-safe tweezers, a solder sucker, solder wire dispenser, and cleaning sponge. Pros: PID temperature stabilization. Adjustable 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit range. Digital display with calibration. Adjustable automatic sleep mode. Large 12-in-1 accessory kit. Cons: 60W power is lower than some higher output stations. Designed for 110-127V power only. Overall, the YIHUA 926-3 is the one I'd consider if you want a well-organized soldering station with stable temperature control, useful automatic features, and plenty of included accessories. If this fits an adult electronics repair workspace, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the YIHUA 926-3 our number 2 pick for the best soldering stations of 2026. Number 1. YIHUA 1010NA. Taking the number 1 spot is the YIHUA 1010NA, a 70-watt digital soldering station designed for trained adult electronics users who want stable temperature control, simple operation, and a more professional workstation. What stands out most to me is the temperature stability of about plus or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. That consistent control is one of the biggest reasons to consider this model, especially when you want repeatable performance instead of constantly dealing with temperature fluctuations. I also like the 70W soldering iron. Weller says this station is about 40% more powerful than the models it replaced, helping it heat efficiently while still keeping the setup straightforward and compact. The digital controls add useful convenience too. You get temperature lock, standby mode, auto setback, intuitive navigation, and password protection, which can help preserve settings and reduce unnecessary energy use when the station is sitting idle. The package includes the YIHUA station, WEP70 iron, pH70 safety rest with sponge, tip retainer, and ETA screwdriver-style tip, so you have the core components needed for a clean workstation setup. Pros: 70W digital soldering station. Excellent plus or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit listed temperature stability. Temperature lock and password protection. Standby and auto setback modes. Strong 4.7-star customer rating. Cons: includes fewer accessories than some budget soldering kits. Listing shows inconsistent maximum temperature information, so I'd verify the exact operating range before buying. Overall, the Weller YIHUA is the one I'd choose if you want a reliable digital soldering station with stable temperature control, useful professional features, and a strong reputation for straightforward everyday use. If this matches an adult electronics repair workspace, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Weller YIHUA our #1 pick for the best soldering stations of 2026.